Hi guys, welcome to my channel. For today's video, let's watch our cat playing. She just loves her new toys, catching the fish, starfish. Kala niya mahuhuli niya. And she was wondering how to catch that toys inside the water. It's very funny and relaxing to watch while she's playing. That's our pet. So cute. She was having a lot of fun. Look at her. She wanna see under if she can catch it. By the way, her name is Bunining. That's our Bunining playing around. But she's also very masungit. She don't like crowded people. She don't want to be touched. She always hides where there's too many people in our house. The only reason she was playing there right now because nobody but us. She catch it, but she can grab it. She catch it, but she can grab it. Thank you for watching.